Oh, I messed up the cross and still got a 7. Delhi, yeah, I live in Delhi. Alright. Scenario 5. Okay. What cube? I'm still deciding between the WRM 2019 and the GAN 11M Pro. Hi Harsh, how have you been? Nice solve. Full step 5.27. Oh god, I messed up. Uh, no. Alright. 682. Go cube. Oh god. Damn, that competition. Oh, counting 528. Please ignore that last turn I did not do. I'm bad with keyboard. Okay, another good average. Okay. Really not sure what to do in this one. I don't want to mess this up. Uh, okay. I'm getting really good times again. Let's see if I can get a sub. Never mind. I think I missed it. Wait. Okay, I have a chance for sub 6 again, which makes me nervous, but I'll try not to mess it up. Okay. Damn it. Missed it. Not gonna happen now. But I'm happy still. Mm, okay. Getting constant sixes, which is good. Another 5.